Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about 8 refreshing anti-inflammatory and immune boosting summer drinks that can help promote good health and wellness. Summer is a great time to focus on promoting good health and wellness. One way to do this is by incorporating anti-inflammatory and immune boosting ingredients into your diet. These ingredients can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a variety of chronic health conditions, and support a strong immune system, which is essential for fighting off infections. Let's start with our first drink, which is ginger lemon water. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and is a natural immune booster. Among other benefits, gingerol, a compound found in fresh ginger, helps in digestion. Mixing ginger with lemon water makes for a refreshing summer drink that is easy to make. Simply grate some ginger and squeeze some lemon juice into a glass of water. Next, we have the turmeric latte. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory properties and helps fight off oxidative stress. Curcumin, a compound in fresh turmeric, gives this spice all the health benefits. A turmeric latte is a delicious way to get the turmeric benefits in a drink. Simply heat up some turmeric powder, milk, honey, and add some cinnamon. Third on the list is the strawberry basil lemonade. Strawberries are a powerhouse of numerous antioxidants essential in fighting and in prevention of diseases, while basil has anti-inflammatory properties. A delicious and a healthy summer drink is made by combining strawberries and basil with lemonade. Fourth on the list is the pineapple green smoothie. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which helps support the immune system. A green smoothie made with pineapple and a spinach is a great way to get the benefits of both these ingredients in one drink. The blueberry ginger iced tea comes in the 5th place on the list. Ginger has anti-inflammatory qualities and blueberries are abundant in antioxidants. Iced tea with blueberries and ginger is a wonderful and healthful summertime beverage. Next, we have the watermelon mint Aqua Fresca. Watermelon is a great source of hydration and mint has anti-inflammatory properties. A simple summer drink that is delicious can be made by combining watermelon, mint, and water. The peach and rosemary iced tea comes in at number 7. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory qualities and peaches are abundant in oxidants. Iced tea with peaches and rosemary is a tasty and beneficial summertime drink. Finally, we have the orange and cinnamon water. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. An easy-to-make, delicious summer beverage which is made by combining oranges, cinnamon, and water. These summer drinks are not only delicious, but are also packed with anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting ingredients that can help promote good health and wellness. Consider incorporating them into your daily routine for a refreshing and healthy summer season. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thank you, and bye-bye.